Hey everyone, this is the Baby Mogwai Show. What do you want to talk about? We're meeting here with Mr. Shadow Person underneath the tree. I'm talking about the curtain. Mr. Curtain Guy. Okay, so what do you want to talk about, Mr. Curtain Guy? Great to hear. Okay, what about you? You want to sleep? You want to sleep the floor? Hello? Oh, hey, here's Miss Kitty. Here comes another kitty.
This just turned from Baby Mogwai Show to Kitty Show. Kitty, kitty,
Meow.
kitty, kitty,
Scary kitties.
kitty, kitty, kitty.
I'm just kidding. It's the Baby Mogwai Show still. What do you want to talk about?
Kitty.
What do you think about cats?
Kitty.
What do you think about kitties?
Kitty.
What do you think about
Kitty,
them?
kitty, kitty.
You think they're nice?
Kitty, kitty.
What are you doing? Hi, Kitty. What's her name?
Kitty, kitty.
Her name's Kitty Kitty.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Kitty Kitty. You're being recorded.
Kitty.
What else does she say instead of just Kitty Kitty?
Kitty, 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 kitty. She said meow.
Can you say meow?
She turned around. That
Okay.
means she doesn't like you.
I mean, hey, can you say meow?
Kitty, 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 kitty.
Hey, Kitty. Kitty. Kitty, hey, can you say meow?
Kitty pivot. Ding, ding, ding.
I think the kitty sees something.
Hey, look. Hey, look. Kitty pivot. Ding, ding, ding.
Dun dun dun.
But I get messed around with your legs. Bing, bing.
That's probably not a good idea.
Bing, 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 bing.
Ah, darn it. Went away.
Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. It's a wilkie.
Looks like Kitty wants to see something.
I think it wants out. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Hey, come back here, kitty. I will not tolerate no kitty. Kitty has to be on table. Table cat. Table cat. Table cat. Table cat.
We're in an interview right now, so Kitty, you want to talk about something? What's on your mind? Hey, wait, don't leave. Don't leave. No, don't leave the talk show. Oh, come on.
just turned from the Baby Mogwai show to the cat stuck in a bike show. Because it's literally stuck underneath the bike. Bye, 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 cat. Bye, cat. Bye, cat. No. Just trying to help you. Well, it's not stuck anymore. Now just never mind, it's stuck again. So that's all for today on the
Wait, no, we're gonna have to go to a commercial break. Okay, commercial break!
Hey, do you like that sweet and sour disgusting sauce from Baby Mogwai's cooking channel? Then eat it. That's all.
Welcome back to the cat show. It looks like these two cats. Ah! Ah! It's a big boy! It's on the attack! Hey little buddy. What's your name, kid? Ow! My back! Who did that? Presented by Baby Mogwai's Inc. Little creatures. It's Baby Mogwai's cooking lessons.
Part 3.
Okay, so what do you cook for us today?
Wait, first some tips again.
Ding,
And again.
ding, 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 ding,
And again.
ding, ding, ding,
One,
ding,
never
ding,
say again,
ding.
again, again, again. Or people will never watch your YouTube channel.
Ding, 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 ding.
Don't
Ding,
put coffee
ding,
beans
ding, ding, ding.
here. It is very unsafe. Not for children at all. And if you were as stupid as a Baby Mogwai,
Ding, 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 ding.
oh yeah.
Ding, 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 ding.
If you did this in real life, you might catch your house on fire. Anyway, now to make these.
Okay, now we're back
Hey,
to
wait.
the cooking.
Wait, I forgot more tips. While you're cooking.
Recording.
This smells like cat. Number 4, this smells like cat.
Stop recording.